Sri Chaitanya School, IPL and MPL Campus, Vijayawada, organized awareness session for students on Gynec issues on 25th September 2025. Participated students were the girls of 10th grade, Junior Inter and Senior Inter. She is Dr. T. Naga Lakshmi, eminent gynecologist and civil surgeon specialist, quality program officer, National Health Mission Government of A. She clarified all the doubts and advised to break the taboo. As doctor clarified on regular menstrual cycle. Generally, menstrual cycle starts in between 10 to 16 years and ends in between 45 to 55 years of age. A regular cycle means periods come at fairly predictable intervals. Normal cycle length, 21 to 35 days, counted from the first day of one period to the first day of the next. Bleeding usually lasts 3 to 7 days. Flow is consistent each month, light, moderate, or heavy depending on the individual. Hormonal changes, estrogen, progesterone, are balanced. It indicates good reproductive health and hormonal stability. What irregular menstrual cycle is? Periods that do not follow a predictable pattern. Cycle length may vary greatly, sometimes less than 21 days, sometimes more than 35 days. Flow may be too light, too heavy, or absent at times. May include missed periods, spotting, or very painful periods. Her explanation on vaginal discharge. Normal vaginal discharge. A natural fluid that helps cleanse, lubricate, and protect the vagina. Amount, color, and consistency may change with the menstrual cycle. Characteristics of normal discharge. Its color should be clear, white, or slightly cloudy. Consistency must be thin, stretchy, like egg white around ovulation, or slightly thick. Odor may be mild or no odor. Quantity of the discharge varies daily depending on the situations. No discomfort, no itching, no burning, or no irritation. Changes in discharge may indicate infection or other health issues. According to doctor, signs of abnormal discharge. Color is yellow, green, gray, or brown. Consistency is very thick, cottage cheese-like, or frothy. Odor is strong, foul, or fishy smell. Quantity is sudden increase or unusual heavy discharge. Associated symptoms are itching, burning, swelling, or pain during urination. Doctor stressed on care during periods. Particularly, maintain hygiene. Change sanitary pads, tampons, menstrual cups every 4 to 6 hours. Wash genital area with mild soap and water. Avoid harsh chemicals. Wear clean, breathable cotton underwear. Stay comfortable. Use warm compress heating pad on the lower abdomen or back to ease cramps. Take warm showers to relax muscles. Wear loose, comfortable clothes. Healthy diet. Drink plenty of water to prevent bloating. Eat foods rich in iron, spinach, dates, jaggery, to replace blood loss. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains for energy. Limit caffeine, junk food, and salty snacks. Exercise and rest. Light activities like walking, yoga, or stretching reduce cramps. Ensure proper rest and sleep. Avoid overexertion. Precautions during periods. Do not keep pads, tampons for too long, risk of infection. Avoid using scented sprays, odors, or harsh soaps in the genital area. If bleeding is too heavy, means soaking pad in 1 to 2 HRS. Consult a doctor. Watch for unusual discharge, foul odor, or severe pain. Keep an emergency pad tampon handy when going out.